Good afternoon, and it is August 21st, and we're looking at some summer fig cuttings I've been playing with, trying some new ways, and I'm showing you some things that may work and some things that may not work. That way you can see everything. I made a mistake when I done these over here. If you pay attention, you'll see fungus gnats over here on this. I did not. I had some of this right here that was old and used, and I just stuck it in there, and it was full of fungus gnats. So you need to put boiling water on it. So when I done this over here, I took and run boiling water over this. It's just moss, peat moss, to kill, and it's used. I was reusing it. I have some fresh. We're going to be doing some more of these with and see how that works. But I took this old and put boiling water over it to get rid of the fungus gnats and stuff was in it. And then I put the perlite on top of it after I stuck the cuttings in. Because fungus gnats don't like to lay eggs on top of this. So that would keep the fungus gnat larvae out. But you can see some of these, looks like they're starting to take. We're going to pull a couple of them out. I think these over here are all toast from the fungus gnats. I'm going to pull this one here out and see if we can see if it's done anything. Boy, it has. Got quite a few roots on it. That was probably not the way to do that. So let's come over here. I'm going to look at the bottom here and see. I don't see any roots really hanging out from underneath here. And I'm going to try to take, like this looks like a big one. We're just going to push it up with our finger and try to get it out of there so we can see if it's, look how well that thing is rooted. I believe you could go ahead and, with the amount of roots that's on that, I would go ahead and just pot that up. I don't think there's no reason to wait any longer. These have been in here about a month is what this is. It's been about 30 days since I put those in there. That looks like they got plenty of roots on it, but you want to push up from the bottom. Them things got hold, you rip them off like that. Don't just pull it. I'll pot it up. It may kill it. It may not. It's okay. We're learning and showing what not to do. Take your finger and push them up through there. Got lots of roots though. So we'll pot that up I probably just put it in a 4x9. Pretty simple. That way it'll be down in there good. Like that. And I'll probably also go ahead and put some perlite on top. I've got some potting soil over here. I've been cooking in a black bag to kill all the fungus gnats out of it. So we're going to reuse that and pot this up. We're also going to have a quick look here at our tip cuttings that we done before. I had about 50% take. I'll show you what those look like at this point after they was potted up. Alright, here's my tip cuttings after I potted them up. A couple of them haven't done too good. Some of them just didn't go on and root. They probably didn't have a strong enough root structure when I stuck them in here. These are dead, but the rest of these have took, and as you can see, they're starting to put on new growth from those tip cuttings. Like I said, I had about 50% that took. Even after, I think we had like 54% we up potted, and then another 4% of them died afterward. So it just kind of, but they're getting going. And I will grow these here until this will be what I grow in here this winter, and then I'll sell these. These will get potted up in a 4x9, and I won't sell these till next spring. So that's kind of what they look like after you pot them up. And these have probably been potted up about 5 weeks, thereabouts, maybe 6, probably 5, about 5 weeks. So, but there's the update on the tip cuttings. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.